dark skin, light skin, medium tongue. Sperm ting brave, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a video, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my got a
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, and if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So in today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Zury Hollywood, aka Zury Sis. They were so kind and sent over one of their newer units in the style CFBB Kalia. I don't think I'm saying that right, but I'll make sure to have the name of her across the screen. Now this is a half wig, which means you are going to have to leave out some of your own natural hair in order to make the unit work. I don't really know how I feel about units like this. I feel like there's pros and cons to her, but of course we'll get into that a little bit later. Now the cap construction on this unit comes with one comb in the back, a clip on each side, and then also a clip in the front. It also has a drawstring in the back that you can adjust. Now as far as the clips go, I'm not the biggest fan of them because they are the type of clips that you find on clip-in extensions, and I don't know, I just feel like those type of clips tend to rip your hair out. But in order to make sure that the unit stays secure, because let's be real, we don't want the unit slipping and sliding or anything like that, you are going to have to utilize those clips. Another feature on this unit is that she does come with a long braid on the edge. Now I'm not gonna lie, at first I was like, what's the point of this braid? But I guess it's to add some character, if you will. On the stock card, it does show, I want to say like 2 styles that you could do with the braid, and of course it's one just single braid with it just going straight across, and then the other style is the 3-strap braid. And to be completely honest, I don't feel like this braid is long enough to do that. How it looks on the stock card is that, why can't I talk? Is that you would take the braid and cross it behind your head and then bring it to the front, but this braid isn't long enough to do that. So maybe if you took bobby pins on each side and then maybe crossed it in the front, I don't know, I still feel like that probably wouldn't look the best, just because it does have these like curly ends on the front or on the ends. So I don't know, I just feel like you would just end up with 2 little curlies at the top end. That's not gonna look right. I do think that the braid is a cute little feature though, because it did help me achieve the Fulani style. I hope I'm saying that right. Y'all know I can't talk, like, let's be real, y'all know I cannot talk. But I chose to take the braid and just kind of fold it forward a little bit, and then I took a bobby pin and pinned it behind my ear. I really hope that makes sense. If not, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons regarding this unit. And of course, we're gonna start with the cons first. My first con would be she's not really big head friendly, or at least she's not big head friendly when you try to push all of your hair back into her. As you can see, when I put on the unit, she just would not fit. I even tried to utilize the comb and also the clips, and I also pulled the adjustable drawstring all the way out, and again, she just would not fit. Now, if you are someone who has a smaller head or has less hair than me, I do think that you could get away with just slicking all of your hair back and then throwing her on. She'd be really quick and easy for you. But if you are on the big head side, like myself, with a lot of hair, Now let's go ahead and talk about my pros regarding this unit. And to start off with the curls, I absolutely love the curls, or I love the curls, should I say, once I fluff them out. I use my fingers to kind of comb it out, but I also took my wide tooth comb and brushed her out some with that as well. And I don't know, I feel like they kind of brought the unit to life. Don't get me wrong, the curls straight out the pack, they're nice, but they're just a little bit too defined for me. I just feel like when you brush the curls out a little bit, she mimics more so of the 4B, 4C type of hair, which then makes the unit look more realistic. Just know that if you do plan on combing out the curls like I did, don't expect her to last too long because she is going to tangle and shed a little bit. Another pro on this unit is the texture of her. She's obviously not a silky texture. She's definitely giving me a yucky feel. My last pro on this unit is how creative you can get with her. Now earlier I did talk about how I didn't know how I felt about this unit, and that's because I typically work with units that are full units or either have some type of lace to them, meaning all of the texture is going to be the same no matter what. I feel like whenever it comes to half wigs and U-part wigs, you kind of take that gamble of getting a unit that comes really close to your texture or something that's completely off. I think that's why I tend to lean towards units that have either some type of lace or basically just have the same texture all around the unit, because then I don't have to worry about blending my own hair in with it. Now with this unit, she is a winner in my eyes because of the texture, the curl pattern, and also the color of her. Now this unit does come in a wide variety of colors. Of course they have your 1, your 2, they have a 99J. They also have a fun blue color and a wine color and a honey blonde color. I'll list them somewhere here on the screen, but I got this one in a 1B, and I don't think I said that earlier, but I'm saying it now. I got her in the color 1B, and I feel like she blends really, really well with my own hair color. With this unit blending so well with my texture and my color, I'm okay with some of my hair being left out. It does allow me again to be more creative with her, so I can create different styles. I personally like this little style that I ended up with, but I think also 2 like space buns. I don't know what my thing is with space buns, but yeah, I'm a space buns kind of girl. I think 2 space buns in the front would be really cute with this as well. And I don't know, ooh, I feel like if I decided to just like twist the front of my hair and then just have it out, I mean, granted the braid in the back would be covered up, but you can't even see it right now. Sorry, I was about to go off into a tangent when thinking about all of the cute styles that I could do with this unit, but basically what I want to say is that you can be creative with her. Now with the price of this unit, unfortunately I do not know what it's going to be because she has not been released on websites yet. I'll continue to check around and see when she is going to be released, and eventually I'll be able to put a link in the description box below. But yeah, those are my thoughts and opinions on this unit. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They are both at @Dotson. Again, thank you so much to Zury Hollywood, aka Zury Sis, for sending over this unit. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.